In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to open, edit, and save files that are not Google native, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other file types like Photoshop, Acrobat, PDF, and so on, using the Google Drive for Desktop app on your PC. Let's get started. Navigate to My Drive or Shared Drives depending on where your files are stored. Find and double-click the file you want to open. The file will open in its associated desktop application such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Photoshop. In this example, I will open an Excel file. When you open an Excel file from the Google Drive for Desktop, it opens directly into the Excel application and functions the same way as if you had opened it from your computer's local folders or another location. Make the changes and save the file as you normally would. When you're done, close the application. Your changes will automatically sync to Google Drive as long as you're connected to the internet. If you're offline, your changes will sync the next time you're back online. If you should have any questions or need assistance, please contact the GTS helpline at 507-933-6111 or email at helpline@gustavus.edu.